stage 4 column addition using decimals. So the problem I've got here is 4.62 meters add 3.7 meters. Again, like previously, you need to kind of estimate the answer to see roughly what it is. Now it's nearly around 4 add 4, so I'm just going to put my rough estimate as about 8 meters. So if I've got the answer 17 meters, I know it's definitely wrong. Now, as before, we put our place values in. So this time, we've got a slightly different. We've got ones, and then a decimal point, which is really important to keep pointing out to the children. And then you've got tens, tenths, and hundredths. So ones, tenths, and hundredths. And we're going to put the largest number first, so 4 ones, 6 tenths, and 2 hundredths. And now when we put 3.7, it's really important. One of the common mistakes is that the children don't line up the decimal points. So to make sure you put your decimal points in, and you write 3.7. And it's good to make them put the 0 in to make sure that they've got the same number of decimal places, and then it seems a bit easier to work out. So again, we start with our lowest place value, which is the hundredths this time. So we've got 2 hundredths add 0 hundredths, which is 2 hundredths. I had 6 tenths add 7 tenths. Well, I know 6 tenths add 6 tenths is 12 tenths. So 6 add 7 tenths is 13 tenths. So 13 tenths has 3 tenths. And then we move 10 tenths across to make a 1. I'm going to put decimal points in. And then 10 tenths across to make 1 1. And then we've got 4 ones add 3 ones add 1 1. Now I know 3 add 1 1 is 4. So it's 4 add 4, which is 8 ones. And my answer is 8.32. First thing I do is check against my estimate. My estimate was 8 meters. And I've got 8.32, which is just over, so it sounds about right. And then I'll put the answer 8.32 meters.